Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Queen Cosmos. Today's topic of discussion is something very special. CRISPR and ACR. You know CRISPR, this is a genetic editing tool, gene editing tool. Okay, used in the field of medical sciences. And ACR, this is used in the field of military surveillance. So both are different things, but here in this video we are talking about the same combination. CRISPR and ACR. So first let's discuss something about ACR. What is ACR? ACR means synthetic aperture radar. Synthetic aperture radar, ACR. So what is the use of this? You know, cameras are used to take images, okay, but they need sunlight or other external light sources to capture images, okay. But if you use ACR technology, in that case, that sunlight is not required or any external light source is not required. Whether it's day, night, stormy or cloudy, in every situation, this ACR technology is able to detect images, or better to say, to make images of hidden objects, whether those things are vehicles, any aircraft, any ship, anything, okay. So for that purpose, ACR, this technology is used, and this technology is used by military surveillance systems, okay. So actually what does this technology do? These ACR devices, actually send out radio waves and then collect the reflections, and then they build the detailed images of everything around those systems, okay. So and if you use stealth aircraft or stealth ships, still those things are detectable. They cannot stay hidden from the eyes of these devices, ACR devices. So that is the use of ACR devices. But stealth aircraft or stealth ships, those are made with what? Those are made with stealth coatings, and those coatings actually wear down with time. So here the idea is to use the technology CRISPR, which is what? Gene editing tool, which allows scientists to cut, insert or modify genes with remarkable precision. So that is actually used in the field of medicine. But the same technology, actually scientists are experimenting with this technology to make required materials. Means here it is called metamaterials. Okay, they are trying to, they are actually experimenting with these things to develop bio-inspired materials or biomaterials or metamaterials or nanomaterials. Means they are doing their engineering work at the molecular level. They are trying to develop stealth coatings by using this CRISPR technology. So DNA is being used for the same purpose. That means they are actually trying to develop programmable DNA. Okay, so what is the requirement? The requirement is the use of CRISPR technology. So if they are successful, so what might happen? This is known to you. Because since ACR technology detects hidden objects by using what? By sending out electromagnetic waves, radio waves. Those are nothing but electromagnetic waves. So if you could develop materials, biomaterials, which can bend or diffuse those electromagnetic waves, then you are successful. So same thing is being done by the scientists. They are trying to develop biomaterials or nanomaterials, anything, whatever be the material, purpose remains the same. They are trying to make actually stealth coatings. Those materials they are trying to develop by using CRISPR technology. So you know, those materials are programmable. So these are called programmable DNA. Then they are trying to develop surface which are actually self-healing in nature. Means they are trying to develop self-healing surfaces. because you know that conventional coatings wear down over time. So if they could develop self-healing surfaces, then what is the result that is known to you? Whenever there is a damage, that is, those coatings could be able to heal themselves. If scientists could be able to develop such things. Then again, if you talk about camouflage, you know, organisms change. Means organisms are able to adapt themselves according to the environment. So scientists are doing the same thing. They are trying to develop coatings, means those steel coatings, in a way that that is dynamically in nature. Dynamic in nature. Okay, what is the meaning of that dynamic in nature? Means according to the threat, according to the change in the threat, or better to say according to the threat, they are able to adjust to the requirement. So this is what? This is dynamic camouflage. Okay, everything would become possible if scientists are successful. But idea is very good. Idea is very good. Yes, idea is positive. That's why they are trying to do the same thing. But at present, right now, this technology is not being used. This is in the research level. At present, this technology is in research level. That means this is not operational yet. But you know the potential of this technology. Potentially means this is actually promising. This technology is promising. It has the potential to achieve our requirement. What is the requirement? Requirement is to develop coatings according to our need. Okay. So these new materials are strong, flexible, means desired qualities scientists could achieve actually by using such technology. So what is the main thing? Main thing is to use CRISPR technology to develop materials according to our requirement. Okay, so main science is what? Main science, materials which could bend or diffuse electromagnetic waves. Then only our stealth aircraft or the stealth ship, okay, where coatings are made with bio-inspired materials, would be able to evade SAR or synthetic aperture radars. That means that these materials are able to reduce radar signature of the hidden objects like what? Like aircraft or ships, etc. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, this is the end. Thanks for watching.